Okay, hello students. Welcome back to the new class. And now today we'll discuss about with the first step involved in the metallurgical process. That is your removal of impurities or removal of gangue from the ore. So that is called as ore benefaction or concentration of ore. So there are different methods depending upon the differences in the physical properties of the compound. First of all, the ore is crushed into powdered form, and then it is projected to different methods by which the impurities are removed. Number one is hydraulic washing. This method is a type of gravity separation method in which the powdered ore is washed with the रनिंग स्ट्रीम ऑफ द वाटर. उसमें फिर हमारा जो लाइटर गैंग पार्टिकल होता है वो वॉश हो जाता है और हैवियर और पार्टिकल्स जो होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, नीचे सेटल हो जाते हैं या पीछे रह जाते हैं. आई विल शो यू अ पिक्चर विच जस्ट you can see that how the hydraulic washing is done. See, there is a platform. The platform on which the powdered ore is being washed is not smooth. ठीक है, it has some grooves, or you can say कि the powdered ore is coming from the upward side and it is then being washed with the running stream of water. So lighter gangue particle will be washed with the running water and the heavier ore particle will be left behind. Now we'll talk about the next method, that is your magnetic separation method. Magnetic separation method is used for the ores or for the gangue particle which is having the magnetic properties or they are being attracted by the magnetic field. ठीक है, तो what happen in this process that the ground ore or the powdered ore is just carried or just put on the conveyor belt which passes over the magnetic roller. Let me show you a diagram. In this diagram, you can see that the powder ore is being put on a conveyor belt having the magnetic rollers. If the ore or the gangue particle are having the magnetic properties, then they will be attracted towards the magnet and the other particles will be just fall apart from it. So this is how we can separate the ore and the gangue particle by this method. The third and the important method to remove the impurity is froth flotation method, and this method is used for the sulfide ore. What we do is that we make a suspension of powder ore with water. ठीक है, हम पाउडर ओर को पानी में डाल देते हैं एंड इट मेक्स अ सस्पेंशन, और उसमें हम फिर दो चीज़ें ऐड करते हैं, एक कलेक्टर और दूसरा फ्रॉथ स्टेबलाइज़र. क्योंकि जो सस्पेंशन हम पाउडर ओर का बनाते हैं वाटर में, उसको हम बहुत तेज़ी के साथ एजिटेट करते हैं, रोटेट करवाते हैं, तो उससे क्या होता है, झाग बनते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज फ्रॉथ. तो फ्रॉथ को इकट्ठा करने के लिए हम उसमें फ्रॉथ स्टेबलाइज़र डालते हैं, दैट कैन बी क्रिजोल और एनिलीन. कलेक्टर हम क्यों डालते हैं, कलेक्टर हम इसलिए, द पर्पस ऑफ यूजिंग द कलेक्टर इज टू इन्हांस द नॉन वेटेबिलिटी ऑफ द ओर पार्टिकल, यानी कि ओर पार्टिकल जो है वो पानी के साथ ज़्यादा अटैच ना हो, पानी के साथ ज़्यादा चिपके ना. तो द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कलेक्टर इज पाइन ऑयल और फैटी एसिड्स. This is a diagram showing the froth flotation process in which you can see that agitator is there which will rotate the mixture of powder ore and the water, and the froth are made here upward and the froth are collected into the separate container here, जिसके साथ साथ जो है आपके और पार्टिकल भी फ्रॉथ के साथ यहाँ जमा हो जाएंगे. फिर उसको ड्राई कर लेते हैं, फ्रॉथ ख़त्म हो जाता है एंड द ओर पाउडर इज बीइंग ऑब्टेन्ड. And the ore powder is collected over here. In this method, we can separate the two sulfide ores simultaneously. Like we can just concentrate the zinc sulfide as well as lead sulfide by using a depressant, that is your NaCN. Now the last and the fourth method is leaching. Leaching में हम एक suitable solvent use करते हैं to separate the ore and the impurities. This method is used for the alumina obtaining alumina from bauxite ore, that is for the aluminium ore, and we can also use this process for the gold and silver ores. So what we do is, for aluminium ore, we mix the powdered ore with the concentrated solution of NaOH. Then as you can see in the equation, that this ore forms sodium aluminate with the concentrated solution of NaOH. Then this aluminate or sodium aluminate is neutralized with CO2, and you get back the हाइड्रेटेड एल्यूमिना. देन हाइड्रेटेड एल्यूमिना को फिल्टर करते हैं, ड्राई करते हैं, हीट करते हैं, एंड यू गेट दी प्योर Al2O3, दैट इज योर ore of the ore of the aluminium, and this method is called as the Bayer's process. This is the another example of leaching of silver and gold ore, where you use the 0.5% solution of NaCN or KCN in the presence of atmospheric oxygen to concentrate the silver or the gold ore. So here we end up with our first method involved in the metallurgy.